Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to use Grammarly for article writing. So let's get started. At first let's get into Grammarly app. Make sure you have downloaded it. And you can simply go to drafts or click on add new. So let's go for this one for now. And here's my article. You can make it longer as well. And simply click on this G icon over here. Simply tap on this. And we can see the suggestions option and improve it options. Simply tap on this and click on improve it if you want to improve it. And if you want to shorten it, improve it, or clean up notes or anything extra, simply click on that as per your need. So I'm clicking on improve it, and you can read it, and if you want and like it, simply click on insert. And if you further want to correct it, you can click on anything you want. Let's go to make it assertive, and it's done. If you are okay with it, simply click on insert and it's done. So that is all we can do to write an article on Grammarly. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.